Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf, and I hope you are doing pretty well in trading and in your life as well. So in today's video I will discuss my trades that I took in the past and my upcoming trades that I can initiate or I will enter definitely, either a long or a short, that you will find out in the video. So, and everything that will Bitcoin dump, because in my previous video I said that there are chances that it can go till I would say $35,000 for a healthy correction. Will this happen or not? Because I am seeing some bearish scenarios on the Bitcoin daily time frame chart. So I will discuss all of that in today's video. So let's get into the charts. What I can see on this Bitcoin daily time frame chart is that after this, I would say after this incessant pump to the upside, like continuous incessant like this pump to the upside, what we can see is low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And now the Bitcoin price has to create a new higher high because a recent higher low is made. But this is not what is happening. From here we can clearly see a small downtrend has started. High, lower low, lower high, and in future it can dump also, because right now it is forming a inverse cup and handle pattern. Well, I can't say much right now, and as I told you earlier that I will only enter at this level right here, $37,000 approx right here. I will only enter right here only, in this zone right here. So right now I'll just wait, because right now the Bitcoin price is going sideways only, a little dump, a little pump, a little dump and pump like this only. But I will wait for sure for the price to come all the way down till here, or go to the upside at this order block blue zone right here, from 44,700 to $48,000 approx. Also, I just found a new, I would say, setup for a trade on Ethereum. We can clearly see Ethereum did a breakout of this important zone that I have drawn to the upside, and now it is returning back from here. Can be for a correction, or I would say a retest. In future it can continue to the upside also. Or if the price of Ethereum did a breakdown towards the downside, then I will go short on Ethereum as well. So yeah, this is for Ethereum right now. It is at a very important zone right here. Right now it is making it as a support, but if it breaks it to the downside, then I will go short perfectly. And let's see what happens right now, because if Ethereum pumps, this means that Bitcoin will also pump. So if Ethereum goes upside from here, it will go all the way up till here only, this zone right here, which is at $3,000. Well, but I'm not expecting for Bitcoin to do again once more incessant move to the upside, this much big move in just one go. So that's what bothering me, that will the Ethereum price will get a reversal from here and will continue straight up higher, or will it fall to the downside? Because as we can clearly see here also, we can see low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and new higher high. Now higher low has been made, so a new higher high has to be made above this level. But what we can clearly see is it got rejected from here. This means that sellers are pressuring the price to go to the downside, and from here it has started to form a small downtrend, high, lower low, lower high. So let's see what happens here. I will update you guys on my Twitter too. This is a very important zone, and I am saying again that if it did a good and heavy breakdown towards the downside with a retest, making it as a resistance, then I will for sure go short, and my target will be all the way down till here, this purple zone, which is at approx 1473 to 1536, exact level right there. So talking about DYDX, and the picture I would say that you saw in the thumbnail was this chart only, and and we did a loss last time on DYDX, but not this time, I'm hoping. So what is happening is perfect DYDX was in a falling wedge right here. It did a breakout, and look guys closely, it made a perfect support from this white box right here, my level. I have not changed it at all. You can clearly see even one single candle haven't closed below this white box. It is a very important support right here. So I would say 2 days ago we saw a huge pump from this white box, a huge green candle that in one go made us very good support from this white box, plus did a breakout of this falling wedge. But as I said, this purple resistance is very important, and the price exactly got rejected from here. And what I'm thinking is that the price will come all the way down again till here to make a support and to give a retest of this falling wedge, because you can clearly see this is the falling wedge. It did a breakout, so it is coming again for a retest right here, and here only there is this white box. So what I'm expecting is that if the price of DYDX comes all the way down somewhat over here, right, I will again go long. I know it is a very risky trade. This time it is a very risky trade, because let's see what happens, but I will obviously enter with risk and money management. I would say somewhat near this middle of this zone right here at 2.830 or above level also right here. Let me zoom this one right here at 2.868. so if the price comes till here, I will definitely go long, or if the price comes here and I see some kind of a bullish reversal or a bullish setup, then also I will go long. So this is just a trade update, and also do your own analysis as well, just don't rely on me. But at the end, I just want to give a trade update on my crude oil trade that I took. You can clearly see last week at 13th of December I took this trade on crude oil. Well, right now it is going in perfect profits right here, perfect breakout. Also did a retest, this candle did a retest right here, and also showing some bullishness in the buyers. So today Monday's market, crude oil did a, I would say, gap up opening, and still it is maintaining this gap. So let's see what happens. My target is still this level only, 74.78, and my stop loss, what I'm thinking is that I will now start to trail my stop loss. That means now I will put my stop loss somewhat over here or here, so that if the price gives a rejection to the downside, still I will exit some of my position with profits only, so no loss guarantee will be there. Well, I will do it soon, but not right now, and I will definitely make a video on it or update you guys on my Twitter too. Just follow me on my Twitter, you will get everything updated there in just few minutes, because making a video sometimes is not easy, making it, then editing and then uploading, but while posting a tweet it's very easy. Okay, so guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it and understand that what is happening right now, and still this is not the perfect time to enter in Bitcoin. Ethereum, I would say that yes, it can be a perfect time, but still I will be cautious on Ethereum as well, because as I mentioned in my past 2 videos that you have to be bullish or bearish in the crypto world. That's it. You can't be mixed, like I'm bullish on this pair, bearish on this pair. You have to be just be bullish on all the pairs or be bearish. So that's why do perfect analysis always, do try your best and keep learning. Crude oil trade right now is in perfect profits right there. And yeah, this is it for today's video. If you want to trade crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Create an account on Bybit for free. You can get up to $30,000 gift too. And also I'm taking my crude oil trade on XNES. Yes, you can trade Forex, stocks, or I would say commodities on XNES too. You can get $1,000 bonus if you create an account with the link in comment and in the description. So this is it. I'll see you guys next time.